Hey guys, this is Wes back with another video. Um, I am doing another DIY video. Again, one of my favorite things to do. And I am off Monday. I think I'm going to post this video Wednesday though. So, but anyways, happy Memorial Day. And, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do a Jim Cornette Racket. If you remember Jim Cornette, he was one of the greatest managers there in the 90s, 80s. Carried a racket with him to the ring. And if you can remember, it was pretty, I guess you can kind of say flamboyant. You know, it had, fur and feathers and silk and satin and stuff like that. Bedazzled, kind of gonna make one similar to that. I do got my racket that I had him sign here. I got him up in North Carolina. A very nice guy. He's a very awesome dude. He was really cool to talk to. I listened to his podcast too, and we were talking about that. And anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of make it similar to his racket. Obviously the front's not going to do anything because it's already autographed there. So what I got new grip here. I was trying to see if they had one in like a gold or silver. This was the closest one I can find for like a silver, so it's kind of like a dark gray, so I think that would work. And then I choose purple feather. I got this off eBay, about 10 bucks for 2 yards of it. So yeah, I think that's just the right amount I'm using. Oh no, the grip tape was about 7 bucks for 3 of them. So with the old grip tape on here, already taken off. It was worn out. It was my grandpa's. He used it probably about 20 years ago. Actually found this in the garage because I was getting ready to buy one of these. And then I remember seeing a racket somewhere and I found it and went ahead and got it signed there. Anyways, what first I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of clean it off a little bit. It's kind of got some residue around here. I got some acetone here. Hopefully that will take the stuff off. I will say probably you should wear a mask. That stuff is pretty strong. And then I'm going to go ahead and be careful because I don't want it to touch the autograph. But anyways, here's the autograph real quick. To Wes, keep swinging, Jim Cornette. Beautiful autograph. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and acetone it. I got a rag here. Just going to go ahead and dab it on the rag here and clean it. And then, like I said, I'm going to stay away from the autograph. Which, I think the only thing is right here. It's got some paint on it from past years. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick and I'll be back. Alright, so I got all of it off. It came off really quick. There was that, like I said, that sticky residue right there. That came off pretty good. And then around the edges there had paint. I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick. I'm going to do the back. So you got this paint spot right here. And get your rag here. Just pour a little bit. And I'm going to show you how good this stuff is. You don't even have to touch it. I mean, look at that. There's some up here. I'll show you. Look at that. There's some right there. But man, that just came out really good. That one came out. There's one right there. There's some over here. I mean, man, that stuff is strong too. Like I said, you should wear a mask. But yeah, that came out really good. You can see it's I won't say it looks new, but it looks pretty good. Yeah, I like it. Came out good. Wish I would have done that earlier before I brought it to him. But again, make sure you wear a mask because it is pretty strong. And but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my grip. Basically, what you're gonna do is what I learned off of YouTube. You're gonna go ahead and take the edge of the corners here. Let's see. Start on the edge here, wrap it all the way around, and then so forth. With this racket, it kind of showed of where the old tape was, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that as my my guideline, basically. So I got scissors. I'm gonna have to cut them because there's gonna be some access, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I will be back. Alright, so here's what it looks like with the grip on. I just went ahead and wrapped around probably about 1/8 of an inch. As you can see, it's kind of like a finger length almost, or a fingernail length, my bad. Looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the band here. I'll just sit across that. Yeah, like I said, I did like 1/8 of an inch all the way around, kind of like what I did with my barber shears. So let me go ahead and put on the band. I'm gonna try to put the logo out if I can, but anyways, I'll be back. Alright, so this is the finished product for the handle. Went ahead and put the band on it. Did my best, try to center it up, but that's good enough. I like it. Definitely does look better with the gray. So yeah, I'm a big fan of it. So last but not least, I'm going to put the fur on. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I do got super glue. I think where this band is here. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of like right there. Put it out in the sun maybe. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a little like a fabric right there. I'm gonna go ahead and just glue it onto that with super glue. Hopefully it works. I'm not sure if it will or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it now and let you guys know. I'll be back. Alright guys, so here is the final product. Turns out the super glue did work pretty well. Just kind of did it like I don't know, 3-4 inches at a time. I just kind of, I mean, you don't need a whole lot of glue, but I just kind of just set it on the side like this, put some glue all the way around, and then I just kind of just had my finger there and just pressed against it there, and then so forth, and go all the way around. Let's see, this is what I was left with. Like I said, it was about 2 yards, so got lucky on that one. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Kind of wish it was more like the fur, but I'm not gonna. You kind of get what I'm trying to do here. I think it looks good. The purple comes out pretty good on here. And it looks good with the gray there too, so I like that. So, came out pretty good. I liked it. Maybe in the future I could bedazzle this, who knows. As of right now, I think I'm going to leave it as it is. I really like how it turned out. Definitely with the handle too. It just looks really cool with the handle for some reason. But yeah, it came out, like I said, pretty good. I got the right amount of fur. At least for my racket, it was about 2 yards. So, pretty freaking cool, man. Yeah, I mean, I can hold it like that upside down and shake it. You can kind of see how it's staying on there. Here's the back side. So yeah, I don't know, it's just really cool. I came out better than I thought, really. Just like I said, I wish the fur was out there a little bit more, but no big deal. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I think my next video will be my Halloween mask I got signed. Do a review on that, and then that next Wednesday I will do another DIY. I got about about 4 more, I believe. So but yeah, guys, anyways, I appreciate guys comment and all your views, and I like the feedback you guys give me on my DIY videos as well. I've been getting pretty decent feedback on it. So but anyways, guys, you guys have a good one. Happy Memorial Day, and guys, take care.